Hi guys, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can resolve problems with your camera blurring out and just going out of focus. That do happen at times and it should not blow out or just go out of focus. Some phones have the blur feature that where it can blow out the background and also to focus with the autofocus as well. So if they're just going uncontrollable, then right, if you notice if it's happening uncontrollable, I'm going to show you how you can fix that issue. So what you want to do, the first thing you want to do, you want to head over to your settings. When you're in settings, you go to apps. So you go to apps and you want to scroll until you see camera here. What you want to do, you go to storage, you clear the data here. So this will actually refresh the camera application on the phone. When that is finished, you go back. If this is a hardware issue, you want to force restart your device. Right, so for us to do so, you hold the volume down and the power button together. It may take a screenshot, but keep holding. You force restart the device. This will clear all the issues with your device in terms of your motherboard not functioning at peak performance. This will clear all overloading that your phone may encounter. Guys, once you have restarted your phone, your camera should be working. And normally it usually open like when you first got your phone. So when we click on camera, it should open like when we now got our phone, and it should be working as it should. As you can see, the wording came up there, and sometimes when you use your camera for the first time, you will get like a guide. As you can see, your camera is actually working much better. You can actually see that it just autofocus there. So guys, that's how you fix it. If you are still having this problem, what you actually want to do is to flash your device. If you're still having this problem, what you want to do, you want to flash your device. So you go to about phone, you go to software information. You will need to take down the baseband version number. So for your device, you take down this number here, you look for it, you download the firmware, you download the Odeon software, and you install the Samsung driver. Once you have done that, you flash your device and flash your device using the 4 files recommended. And once you have done that, this will definitely fix the problem with your camera. This method helps to fix a lot of issues with Samsung Galaxy phones in terms of bug in the Android system, camera issues, Wi-Fi issues, you name it. So it's worth the shot. Do that and that should help you. If that did not help, guys, definitely this problem have to be a malfunction with your camera itself. So what I do recommend you doing, guys, is to do those steps. To flash your phone, if you don't have any idea how to flash your phone, you can actually get someone to do it for you, or you can simply look for a tutorial how to flash your phone. I'll actually leave a link in the description on how you can flash your phone. So I hope that this was helpful, guys. Do like, share, and subscribe. I'm out.